Hi, Jake from Ava here. This is how you frost-proof your Ava pressure washer so it's ready for winter storage. It's a quick 2-minute process, so let's get started. After your cleaning job's completed, turn off the machine, remove the garden hose, remove the nozzle, shake out any excess water, remove the lance, shake out the water that's inside this tube. Once the water is out of the lance and the nozzle, we will need to remove the pressure hose from the gun. Before you'll be able to do that, you'll need to compress the trigger to release the pressure buildup in here. Simply do that by press. Now you can remove the gun. Once the pressure hose has been released from the gun, we need to release any water that's stuck inside the gun. You'll simply do this by pressing the trigger. Now we need to get the water out of the machine and the pressure hose. We'll simply do this by placing the tip lower than the machine. If possible, you can even do it on a downslope to help the water get out completely. We'll remove the water from the machine and the hose by running the machine without the garden hose connected for exactly 63 seconds. This ensures all the remaining water is pushed out of the pump and the pressure hose. Now the water has been removed from the pump and the hose, you can remove the hose. Next, lay the machine on its back with the water intake facing upwards. And for the Ava Easy, tilt it slightly forward. And for this, you'll need a pump protector or your standard WD-40, both will work. Now let's place the Go on its back. We will now spray the lubricant for the pump. We will also spray a little lubricant into the water inlet of the gun. After the initial spray of the lubricant, turn the machine on and off again to spread the lubricant inside, just for a second. Now, we'll spray a little more lubricant inside. Finally, disconnect the lubricant. Thanks for watching, and remember to do these steps before you store your machine for winter.